Next to present the lumbar bone will be Mark.
So as you've heard, my name is Mark and I'm here to present the lumbar vertebra. So this specific bone is located in the upper abdominal region in the body. So in humans, there are 5 of these bones. In cows and mice, there's 6. And in rabbits and cats, there's 7. So the bone before this was the thoracic vertebrae. So it means the first of this bone articulates with the last bone in the thoracic vertebrae, and the last of this bone articulates with the next bone that will be presented, which is the sacral vertebrae. So how many features can you identify in this bone? Which are the features you can identify in? Yeah, there are long and widely transverse processes. Which other feature can you identify?
A short neural spine.
Yeah, it has a fairly short neural spine. So who can tell us the function of the neural spine? Zach. So like the transverse processes and the neural spine offer the surface area for attachment of the abdominal muscles and the back muscles. So which other features can you identify on this bone? Samson?
Wide centrum.
Yeah, it has a fairly wide centrum. What's the function of the centrum? Chivitai? Yeah, the centrum offers support for the other bones. Which other feature can you identify? Lina? Yeah, it does. Which other feature can you guys identify in this bone? So the other features include the anapophysis and the postzygohypophysis, which can be seen from the side. Like if you hold the bone like this, you'll see it from the side. So the prezygohypophysis, the anapophysis, and the transverse processes, including the neural spine, they all offer the surface area, they increase the surface area for muscle attachment. So technically, you could also say this bone offers the most support to your body, so it's really important. So the main functions of this bone is to absorb shock, and also it bears the stress of the weight of the other bones. So thank you.